instead of hiring someone on Fiverr to actually help you to design your logo for your business you want to start or your website you want to start, I'm going to show you how you can do it yourself. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can design a simple logo. The logo might not be like 100%, much catchy, but I'm going to show you exactly how you can design a simple logo you can actually use to start your businesses or your website. So ensure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I'll be able to show you the step-by-step guide. So we are going to be using Canva for this particular purpose. So for you to actually design a logo with Canva, you have to ensure you sign up for Canva. I'm going to drop the link to Canva inside the video description. So because you actually need like a pro version to be able to remove the background image. Also, if you're actually interested in using the free version, I'm going to show you the free tool you can actually use to remove the background image. So you have to ensure you watch from beginning to the end. So for you to actually design a logo with Canva, all you have to do is to actually come to this search box. So you have, as you can see, we have template, we have project. So project is actually the one you have done in the past. So but right now we're actually concerned about making it a new logo on Canva. So all you have to do is just to search for the logo. So let's search for logo. You are going to see a lot of templates that Canva actually have. So Canva have like more than 1,000 templates you can actually implement. So as you can see, those are the logo that are much available. So you can actually edit this logo and be able to create high professional logo. So but if you check this my website is a tool website I developed. So if you want this kind of website, you can actually let me know in the comment section below. I might help you to develop something very similar to this one. So as you can see, I want to actually design a logo for this website. So I will try much as possible to type logo, then type in something like tools. So then click on search. So now Canva is going to find some of the logo that is very related to tool. As you can see, these are logo that are very related to tool. We are going to search for the one we think is going to perfect fit for this particular website. So we are going to find the one. Let's see. Okay, I think I actually like, oh, this one is woodworking. So let's find a logo that is perfect fit for what we want to achieve. So according to my search, I think this particular logo is quite good for what you want to achieve. So all you have to do is to click on the icon. You are going to click on it, then you are going to use the template. So let's use the template and be able to design a logo for this our website, which is don'tdotech.com. So as you can see, it's loading up. So like using Canva actually allow you to design a logo for your businesses. You are not going to be designing a perfect logo, but for you to get started. So as you can see, we are going to use this icon as the favicon and also this one as the main logo. So this is the website, which is don'tdotech.com. So I'm going to copy the URL, copy, then come over to Canva. So I'm going to actually paste the I'm going to paste it over here. So I don't think I need this worker, so I'll actually delete it. So as you can see, it's very, very simple for you to actually get started with your businesses or your website. So I'm going to throw it down a little bit, like make it bold. So another thing I like to do is the fact that I will not be able to use, I will actually make sure I use something very similar to the landing page. I think the color is blue, so I'm going to use this tool to actually pick up the color, copy the color code, then come over to Canva. Also on this particular icon, I'm going to change the color to the color we actually want to use, so which is blue. So as you can see, it has matched up. So and this don't do tech. Let's see another color we can actually use. I think black is not bad, but we can actually use this particular one. So let me click on it, then actually copy the color code. So I'm going to copy the color code, come over to the template once again. So I'm going to change the color to the color on our website. So like designing the logo on Canva is very, very simple. So all you have to do is just to make sure you choose the right template. Like you just using a starting from scrap might be very, very hard for you. So as you can see, within just 15 minutes or just 10 minutes, we have successfully designed a logo for our businesses. So this logo, you can actually use it to kickstart your business. After your website has grown, you can actually change this logo. But as you can see, we have a logo already. So the next thing we have to do, okay, let me try to copy the, let's try to copy, because of purpose of SEO. So I'm going to copy the name, then change the name over here. So I'm going to change the name. So the next thing I have to do is to make sure that I bold this logo. So I'm going to bold it a little bit so that it will be able to show very well. So the next thing you have to do is to download this logo. All you have to do is to click on share over here, then click on download. So if you have different niche, probably else niche, there are a lot of templates you can actually use on Canva. So all you have to do is just to search for a logo and your niche inside the search bar and be able to see some of the templates you can use. So right now I'm going to download this particular logo. So I'm going to click on download over here. So if you are using the free version of Canva, you will be able to remove the background image. So this option will not be available for you due to the fact that I'm actually using Canva Pro, so I can be able to download with transparent background. So I can actually download it over here. So, and if for those that doesn't use the paid one, I'm going to show you exactly how you can actually remove the background image. So let's assume that for those that doesn't have Canva Pro, you are going to click on download. So you are just going to download it over here. So we have two versions of the logo. You have to come to this particular AI tool, which is called Remove BG. So Remove BG is a online tool that allow you to remove background image. Remove BG. So this is the tool. All you have to do, click is to enter the website and be able to upload your image, and it's going to remove the background image completely free. So you have to upload the image over here. So I think the one we downloaded is actually this one, so with background image. So we are going to upload it and be able to remove the background image. So actually designing a logo on Canva is very, very simple. Very, very simple. Unlike you trying to hire someone on Fiverr that will be able to help you to design a logo, because when we are starting up a business or a website, there are a lot of things you have to do, the designing, different things, but you can actually kickstart your project by using Canva logos.
A few moments later.
So guys, after waiting for about a while, like remove.bg has successfully removed the background image. As you can see, we can actually download it over here. So we are able to use this image without background image. So I can actually upload this image to my website, but I'm going to be doing that because I don't want this video to be very, very long. So if you actually gain from this video, I will actually encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channels, because next time I'll be doing how you can make a thumbnail with this particular Canva tool. So ensure to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.